Let's stay in St. Paul at Como Park Zoo and Conservatory. There are 16 distinct garden experiences you can explore, housing some of nature's most amazing exotic plants that are unique to Como and on display until September. This morning, our garden guy, Dale Kay, he's our unique experience. He's checking out the water gardens for us this morning, and he's right there. I like it. A man in the middle of his work. Good morning, Dale.
Good morning to you. It's absolutely gorgeous out this morning. It's so nice. A little bit of a breeze, not as humid. It truly is a joy to be in one of these gardens. Of course, yes, we're in one of the 16 gardens, the water gardens, but there is about a half dozen other gardens just around us right here that you can see and experience yourself without a reservation. If you want to go inside, not in the drink, if you want to go inside, reservations are still required. But it's quite refreshing being in here on a summer's day, and some really cool and unique plants like these lilies, these tropical lilies behind us. The pink one and the blue one right here actually bloom during the night. They're going to actually close up. So if you want to see those, or you want to get a quick peek at them, there they are. The white one here, that one's going to open during the day here. It's just about to open. So you've got some really cool, unique day-night bloomers with the tropical lilies. Oh no, trash. Don't throw your trash in the drink. I always pick up rubbish wherever I go. We'll just tuck that in my pocket. So I headed over here because I want to check out one of these really super unique plants. But on my way, they've got these great vignettes of all these different types of marginal water plants, lilies. It is actually quite nice. It's quite slippery.
Yeah.
Quite slippery. I'm heading over here to Victoria Housewright, who takes care of this wonderful seasonal exhibit, and I want to focus on this plant right here because it is absolutely one of the coolest plants, and there's actually male and female in each part of, like, day after day.
Yeah, that's true. It's very unusual. So you see these beautiful little pink petals poking out right here. This flower, this exact same flower, was white last night. So this is a night bloomer. It's already closed up for the day, gone to bed. But when it was white the other night, it was completely female, a female flower, and it smelled amazing, like kind of like pineapple.
So Stromy, it smells like pineapples?
A little bit, yeah.
Okay, Stromy, if you see that white one there, that is actually, who's that? That's the male?
That's the female.
That's the female. The white is the female, and the
pink is the male. Not what we
And it does it
expect,
overnight.
right?
Does it changes overnight?
It absolutely does, yeah.
That is just an amazing adaptation.
Yeah.
And you said it smells like pineapple, and it also heats up a little. Why does it heat up?
So it actually heats up while it's female when it's white because it wants to waft that smell as much as possible. It's pollinated by beetles, and oh, they go crazy for that scent. It draws them in, so it heats itself up to get that smell as far out as it can, to grab as many pollinators as possible.
Now, what are the origins? Where is this plant from? And you start them from seed every year, correct?
I do, yeah. These are kind of my babies. So this started in early March, and it's actually a South American plant. So this is Victoria cruziana, really beautiful.
It's named after you.
It's named after me.
How gorgeous, how divine is that?
But now our other ones that are pink, the pink leaves, those are a longwood hybrid. So it's Victoria amazonica and Victoria cruziana are the parents. The longwood brought them together, they had a kid, and that's the longwood hybrid. And longwood actually donates the seeds to us. That's a garden on the East Coast. So love them. That's the great thing about this industry, that we work together like that.
I should mention that in the wild, these pads, they're spiny.
Sorry.
Owie, they're spines, but they actually get about 8 feet in diameter. These are just babies because they are grown seasonally. And Como here is just really the only place in Minnesota that you'll get to experience this. Is that a new leaf right there?
It is. Look at
I'm not touching that
spikes,
because
yeah.
that's really spiny.
Yeah, look at that.
This is one of the only places that you'll get to see really cool exotic plants like this. I'm going to bebop over there because I like anything pineapple. Pineapple upside down cake's my favorite. Pineapple flavored lollies and even lilies. If it smells like a pineapple, I'm into it. Back to you.
And be careful, Dale. Those lily pads might bite if you're not careful.
They do bite. I got spines in my fingers.
Oh no.
I should have warned you about that. I'm so sorry.
Yeah, she said she should have warned me about that, but I guess we didn't do that in the pre-production meeting.
Yeah, right.
This morning.
Now you know, and now we all know. Thank you, Dale.